student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. God bless you. All the best. We have to find out equilibrium constant for the reaction copper solid plus twice of Ag1 positive ion silver ion gives you copper 2 positive ion and twice of Ag solid. So given E naught value of Ag1 positive Ag 0.80, E naught Cu2 positive Cu 0.34, which is having lower value is acting as anode. So this is having lower value, so it is acting as anode, which is having higher value acting as cathode. Okay, because at cathode reduction takes place, at anode oxidation takes place. So copper is oxidizes to a copper 2 positive by loss of 2 electron. That is why it is acting as anode. So we will solve E naught cell is equal to 0.80 minus 0.34. These value are given to us. So answer is 0.46. E naught cell we got it. Now what is the we should know the formula. E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 by n log Kc. How it come I will let you later on. Okay, let you know later on. So n value is equal to 2 because 2 electrons are involved in this case. So here put value 0.046. All the value we will put here. N is equal to 2 here. E naught is equal to 0.46 volt. Okay, so and so log Kc will be simplify it. So this multiplied by this and divided by 0.0591, answer will be 15.5668. So this is log Kc. So Kc will be equal to anti-log of this value. So this amount 15.5668, this 15 will go into the power. See here 10 to power 15 I have written. Whatever is written here before decimal, it will go to the power 10 to power 15 here. And we'll see the anti-log table of 0.5668. It is coming to be 3.688. So this is the equilibrium constant. Now question arises, how do I get to know that it is 0.0591 by n log Kc E naught cell? Because you should know the formula. E naught cell is equal to 2.303 RT log Kc here divided by NF. So value of R 8.314, T 298 Kelvin, F is Faraday 96500 coulomb per mole. When we will put these value in this equation. So and multiplying the 2.303 into 8.314 into 298 divided by 96500. So it is coming to be 0.591 and this 1 by n log Kc will remain behind. So that is why answer E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 and log Kc. This is the equation formula we are using. So in this way, this is for shortcut to MCQ and this is for 12th board exam. Okay, you have to write down all these things, then only you will get 5 on 5. You want to get 5 on 5, then you have to write down all these things. Okay, from starting from here,